Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at an upgraded cleaning robot designed for strong suction, advanced mopping, and improved carpet performance. This is the eufy Robot Vacuum E28, a powerful all-in-one vacuum and mop combo built to handle mixed flooring, pet hair, corner cleaning, and everyday messes with impressive consistency. If you want a robot that goes deeper than typical models, this one brings several important upgrades. Let's start with power. The E28 features 20,000 Pa suction, giving it more than enough strength to lift dust, crumbs, dirt, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Whether you have high traffic areas or deeper carpet fibers, this suction level ensures strong pickup across every room. It works especially well with the optimized internal airflow, keeping performance stable from start to finish during each run. One of the standout features is the HydroJet roller mop system. Instead of dragging a passive wet pad, this powered roller applies steady scrubbing pressure while distributing water evenly through the mop. It removes sticky residues, dried spills, and fine dust far better than traditional flat pad mops. The roller keeps spinning during cleaning, which reduces streaks and improves the shine on hard floors. The E28 also includes a portable carpet system designed to enhance deep cleaning coverage. With improved carpet detection and targeted suction boosts, the robot increases power automatically when transitioning to carpeted areas. This feature allows deeper debris extraction, especially in homes with pets or thicker rugs. For households with pets or long hair, the zero-tangling brush design is a major benefit. It significantly reduces hair wrapping around the brush, cutting down how often you need to stop and clean the roller manually. This keeps suction strong and ensures more consistent cleaning across multiple cycles. Corner and edge performance is another highlight. The corner-to-edge cleaning system uses extended sweeping patterns and precision brush motion to reach into tight angles and along wall edges where dust tends to collect. This makes the E28 far more thorough than many standard round robot vacuums. Navigation is powered by upgraded AI obstacle detection, helping the robot avoid common items like shoes, cables, toys, and furniture legs. It builds smart maps, plans efficient cleaning routes, and allows you to customize room settings, zones, suction levels, and mop modes from the app. If you want a robot vacuum and mop combo that offers strong suction, deeper carpet cleaning, improved mopping performance, and intelligent navigation, the eufy Robot Vacuum E28 is a great choice. Check the Amazon link below for more details and be sure to subscribe for more tech product breakdowns.